In this video, I'm sorry about the wind noises that are on it. There was just way too much noise and it was overpowering my voice. There's my number plate light, reversing camera. That's my number. It goes on the number plate, and this one is on the roof. It is a number plate light, but I've glued it down, and it does the job. Now I'll show you inside what happens inside, and I get the voice back.
Showing you where the CCTV cameras are. Let's zoom back out again. Shut the door. Camera's a bit naff for doing this. Hang on a second, I'm putting you down. Ready? Oh, turn the steering wheel round a tad. Right. That's backup camera. Now, turn the ignition on. Alright, let's just unplug that. Right. That automatically comes on with ignition, and that's the one on the roof, which I just showed you. And then, when I go to, that's in first at the moment, right, when I put it into reverse, ready? When I put it into reverse, it comes down to the one in the number plate. Right, now, as you can see, look, I can see the tow ball, I can see my step, but I can still see the fence. What's that? That's about 10-15 foot that I can see all the way back, and absolutely ideal for backing onto the caravan or trailer or whatever when I'm parking in a parking space. So I take it out of gear and automatically flicks back up to the other one. That one that's on now is Wi-Fi. That's a wireless one. There's a transmitter behind the rear light, and when you put it in reverse, of course it takes the power off the reversing light. Now it's direct to the battery at the moment, the leisure battery, so it's not taking any power. And as soon as I put it into reverse, the other one takes the power off the reversing light, automatically turns the camera on, sends the feed down. This screen automatically flicks over because it's that's the main screen. So take it out of gear, flicks back up. Right, and I'll turn, as soon as I turn the ignition off, it turns itself off. But I made sure I got a nice big screen. What's that? That's 7-inch or 8-inch, I don't know. Could even be a, no, it's never 10. I don't know, because you measure them from angle to angle, and yeah, I think it's a 7-inch. That one. I haven't got my glasses on, so I can't see if it says it on there. Well, that's a 7-inch, right? So the one that's in the number plate. The one that's in the number plate. Let me just put him back in. That one takes its power off the reversing light bulb. I came down inside the door pillar, took the power off the reversing light, and then there's a lead hardwired right the way from the back up behind all the panels. It goes through those two boxes there. I can pull the cable out if I wanted to up there, down under the roof lining, down a door pillar. Well, it doesn't go down a door pillar, it comes across the top of there. You can just about see it there. It comes across there, and then there's another 2 wires that come back down into the fuse box, which is, you know, it's behind there, and I connect in behind there. Right, like there's I got a dash cam there. Right, I got that dash cam there. Right, as daft as it sounds, they're both still on. Right, that one's Wi-Fi. I can watch that one in my house, and then I always put my on that stand there. I always, if you have a look at my videos while I'm in car, I stick him there. Right, I shan't show you the other Wi-Fi ones. There's Wi-Fi ones right at the very back that transmit to my house, and I've got them plugged into my CCTV, and they record on my hard drive. I got mega big. I'll show you, Chew. Right. Samsung. It's a Samsung DVD writer in it, and there's 16 channels. All these fucking wires coming in though, that's the only trouble. Alright, and there's is it four sets of these channels. I've turned off all the other cameras as though you don't as though nobody can see where they are, but if I haven't got my bloody glasses on, hang on, let me get the glasses out of the house. Oh, let's have a look. Where's my glasses? Oh, it's fucking dark in here. There they are. Oh, it makes you sick, doesn't it, when you go like that? Sauce. Where's the sauce one? I thought it was that one. Oh, it's there. See, I can have them there. I can have them. I've turned the other cameras off as though you can't see them. Alright, but I can have them at any angle. That's the one I usually keep it on. So I just turned off all the cameras as though you didn't see where they were. Well, it's not you, it's anybody else. So it usually gets, you know, the amount of kids' faces I get when they keep looking through the bloody windows and what have you. So yeah, it records 24/7. It's got an internal hard drive and DVD, and also got USB, so I can that's a point. At least I've still got two of my bloody USB sticks. Yeah, usually if anything goes bloody missing they come shouting at me. Here's the front of my caravan, my backyard, keeping an eye on my caravan. That's keeping an eye on the front of the caravan, the drive entrance. Right, hope that helps. Cheers, mate.